At FarmFresh, after almost 40 successful years in the business and a history rooted in food, we have expanded to include a vast range of non-food products into our portfolio, such as a baby range, personal care, home care, and paper products. So how did we do it? How did we become one of the largest FMCG distributors in the UAE? It's quite simple, really. Never mind that we're a leading distributor and marketer with a portfolio of over 1,500 SKUs made up of some of the world's most well-known and loved brands. Or that we have a fleet of over 140 temperature-controlled vans and trucks delivering to 15,000 points of sale all over the UAE, with 140 dedicated visual merchandisers and a professional team of 700 employees who are committed to customer service. What we offer is an unmatched reach and holistic approach devoted to getting our products into more supermarkets, hotels, catering companies, restaurants, and gas stations, to name a few. Our extensive temperature-controlled warehousing facilities allow us the capability to handle all products, maintaining each at different temperature zones and ensuring that all our brands are managed effectively in optimum conditions. Not to mention 360-degree marketing campaigns centered around every brand we distribute, because your success is our priority. Over the years, we've built a way that has made it possible to substantially increase the number of doors we distribute our brands to, all of which experience a year-on-year growth. So you can think of us as a partner big enough for any job, but still small enough to care. And that's part of our promise, to grow steadily over the long term with our partners using 6 core pillars that will help satisfy the changing needs of an ever-increasing base, just as we've been doing since the beginning. We focus on forging strong relationships, maintaining a proven track record with some of the world's most popular brands, and trusted core values that are the basic fundamentals for long-term business. Because that's exactly what has made us into the company we are today. But more importantly, it's what will make us into the company we plan to be tomorrow. FarmFresh, built on quality and trust.